And 5, 6, 7, 8. Jacket, 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 jacket. Already offbeat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and today we are reviewing our jacket, 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 jacket. All right, that's already too much. I never get that excited in my video. We're reviewing the Jackie Aina palette today. Yes, I have this on my eyes. Yes, I've been waiting for this because this person and this person, everyone's been talking about it. So thank God I still have money left on my Sephora gift card because it went towards this, guys. This packaging, everything is gold. I have a vlog, a very short vlog at that, of me going and buying this from the girls at Ulta, but I think we're just gonna get right into this video so you guys can get a little tutorial of how I got this eye look. Hopefully it looks bomb when I just close my eyes, because during the tutorial I took my ponytail off, so just take me as I am, okay? If you guys are new here, I would love if you hit that like button. I'd love if you hit that subscribe button and join me on this little journey or whatever you call it. But let's just get right into the video, and always remember to support your black queens. All right, you guys, I just have my hair back in a bun because it's time to just get to this. The packaging is everything. I'm gonna try to not rip it. I'm ripping it. There we go. Okay, taking it out for the very first time. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, 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 it's so pretty. Oh. Okay, you guys have already seen this a million times. I'm trying to figure out what look I'm going to do. But let's just compare the packaging. Okay, so this is the packaging compared to Modern Renaissance. There's just like no comparison. She went off with the packaging, point blank period. And I honestly thought Modern Renaissance was nice packaging. Okay, here we are. All right, so we are going to get started with concealer. So this is just the Rimmel Stay Matte in the color Golden Amber. So we're not going to be doing any swatches just because I feel like we've all seen them. I've seen them 1,000 times, so I'm like, I'm convinced. I already bought the palette. I don't need to swatch it, but I will leave pictures or something for you guys to see different swatches. We're just going to get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm trying to figure out what kind of look I want because there's just so much going on, but I think I figured it out. So we're going to start this off with ginger. Now ginger kind of scares me because I feel like I've seen this color before and it never shows up right on my skin. It is so windy outside, but this is showing up. Okay, ginger, come through it. Come through, sis. Okay, okay. I just like this because I like how subtle it is, and you can really just build it up. Okay, so that is ginger, my friends. Okay, so I really want to try Zamn and Wiggalease. So let me just zoom in to you guys. Okay, there we go. So I really want to try Zamn and Wiggalease. Oh, and this so, oh, there's so many. We're gonna have just multiple looks with this one, but we're gonna go ahead and try Zamn right now. Zamn. Ooh. Ooh, Zamn Zaniel, look at you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at how that it just gets better. Like when I first applied it, I was like, oh, okay. But then as you like pull it across, the color just comes alive. It's like, okay, honey. Zamn Zaniel did not come to play. Okay, I'm really hoping you guys, like, this is coming out the way. Okay, I'm really hoping you guys are able to see it, how it's applying right now. So we do have a little bit of fallout, but I'm like, what do you expect with any glittery eyeshadow? I'm not too pressed about it. I'm just happy I decided to do my eyeshadow first. So next we're gonna go in with Wiggalease. Oh, it's a done deal right there. Like just how it just goes on. So Yeah, it's a done deal. Like, I can close up the palette now and be done with this review because I already know this is the palette. Everything they say is true. Like, this is her. Her is she. She is her. I I've never seen an eyeshadow palette do this on my skin. You guys, no, like, we just used concealer. We didn't use a crazy primer or anything like that. And this is just coming alive. Like, no. Oh, it's so good. I'm being so dramatic right now. You guys know I'm probably like the most monotone person ever. So for me to be all like, oh, it's so good, because it is. And I wish I would have threw some hair on so it looked just a tad bit better reviewing this. Okay, I can keep this covered up. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with edges and blend everything out. I just like, you just, my edges aren't on point right now, especially over here. But how could you not use edges like on the first time you use this palette? Just, it's unacceptable if you don't use edges. Your fellow black girl. Okay, I feel like I kind of just messed it up. So let me go back in with Wiggalease. And I'm just gonna keep packing this on to see like how bright and how dark we can go, because I'm here for it. I honestly thought Wiggalease was like a purpley color, but right now I'm getting like a reddish color. This is gonna be bomb for like some holiday looks. I can already see it. And I'm using my Jackie Aina palette. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay, I really want to use this Soelei color. I don't know how to say this. It's whatever. So I'm just gonna pat this on here to kind of blend these two out. I honestly don't know if this is doing anything, but hey, we'll just pretend like it is. Actually, I can see a little something, something, a little something, something. Okay, so I really likes it. Like, I really, really like it. Like, I feel like I should go buy this palette for all my friends. Why are my makeup brushes so crusty? I'm running out of makeup brushes right now, guys. Yikes. Okay, but I'm going to try to blend all this out because it's looking a little messy. So I didn't take a color. I'm just literally taking like a regular makeup brush. I guess like a blank one, I guess, and just blending the colors at the top together so it looks pretty smooth and flawless. And just because I can't help myself, I'm gonna go back in if I can find the makeup brush. Found it. And I'm gonna add some more Wiggalease because why not? Okay, so I was watching the Queen Leah Gordon's video, and apparently people got upset about this Wiggalease color because they said it's like reverse racism. And Jackie herself said it's like something about legalize, but when I hear it, it kind of sounds like N-word please. And I would have put it past her if that's really what she meant and she's just pulling like a fast one over all of us, because why not? It passed, it happened. But oh yes, ladies, this is fire. So let me go put my face on and put a ponytail on, but this is everything and more. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I really, 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 really like this palette. I think the thing about this palette is like the amount of time used building up your shadows is cut down significantly because it's formulated to go on dark skin. So I know there's a lot of hoopla because people are just gonna talk to get views and stuff. If you like it, buy it. If you don't, don't. It's that simple. I liked it. I bought it. If I had tons and tons of money, I would literally go and buy one of these for each and every one of like my friends with dark skin or even with lighter skin, because I feel like this is like that palette is that. I'm just kidding. No cursing on the channel, but yeah, like everything from the packaging, yada yada yada, like your fave palette could probably never. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a blog post about this as well, so just go ahead and check that out in the comments, the description box. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.